Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This week, our video, we're going to give away these items. Last week's video, we used the X-Tool M1 and we made these. We really enjoyed making these and we thought, oh, why not give them away? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give these away and actually give a customized one too.
So originally, we just wanted a logo that we were going to make and try and cut it out with our new laser cutter and engraver. And in the end, the result came out so good, we really liked it, and we thought, well, now that it's done, what are we going to do with it? We didn't just want to throw it away, so we thought the best thing would be is to give it away to people that work in those particular units. Now, we thought, well, that'd be kind of a fun giveaway, and so we kind of announced it on Facebook to people that we knew that were available to see that, and we thought, you know what? Why limit it just to the people of those organizations? And we were having so much fun with our laser, and we figured, why limit it to just them? Well, let's open up this giveaway to everybody. So what we're going to do is, this isn't the actual wood, we're going to also give away a logo for anybody else that wins the competition. And all you'd have to do is send us a logo or your name, whatever it is that you want. We'll try and replicate that. We'll work out those details when it comes time once we select the winner. So the rules on the game. Very, very simple. All you have to do is write to us and tell us why you think you deserve to win one of these logos. Let us know if you want the specific logo. We have one for the Pacific Air Force Financial Management, and we have one for Air Force IMSC Det 2. I'm sorry, we actually have two of them. These were tests, but we worked hard to make sure that they look nice. One's kind of a three-dimensional feel, and the other one has been completely covered in epoxy for a smooth surface. So what is it that we're going to be doing with this? We are going to customize it for you. You have the option. We can either make it into a clock, simple adding clock hardware to it. Another option that we'll give you is we will add a magnet to this, and then you can actually put this up on a refrigerator or on your cubicle at work if it's a metal cabinet. And one more option that we plan on doing, if you're interested, is we will hang and do an engraved plaque per se with your name and title, so that visitors who come by your cubicle know who you are, what your name is, and what your job is. Now, as far as everyone else, if you have a logo, we will do our best to make it. Keep in mind, some logos are very detailed. If it's a unit patch or something in the military, it might be a little bit too difficult to actually cut out with laser. But we're still open to giving it a try. We'll work with you, and we'll try if we might have to manipulate the logo just a little bit to make sure it works. But anyhow, it's something that we'll sit with you, spend a little time, discuss it, and then give you some pictures that we've put together to make sure it's okay, and then we'll start cutting it out and making one of these for you. Back to the rules itself. The rules are, all you have to do is contact us by either leaving something in the comments below. All you have to do is explain why you deserve to win. It can be funny, it can be serious, it can be short, it can be long, and if you don't want to put anything in the comments, send an email to poormansdiy@hotmail.com, and we'll list that address right here for you so you can pause and take a look at it. The cutoff on this is going to be November 12th at midnight, Hawaii time. Jennifer and I will go over all of these, and we will decide which one we like the best, and we'll announce the winners at another time, and we will get in contact with the winner and make arrangements on how you want the logo customized for you.
We're really excited about this giveaway and selecting a winner.
Remember, don't forget to get your submissions to us no later than midnight, November 12th. That's Hawaii time.
This is all we have for you today. We'll see you soon, but until then, bye-bye.